Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to check if ChatGPT was used. So if I go for an essay here, so write an essay, okay, on global warming, okay, then it's give you the global warming essay. Okay, if I go for another one which is big in size. Okay, I have to wait for it. Okay, it's almost done. Take some time. Okay, if I go for this with this, okay, then copy it and go for your Google and search here, which is chat zero zero dot, okay, oh no, it's go GPT zero dot me. Go for this site and go for it. So now you have to paste it here and go for check origin. uh, yeah, now you can see this result. This text is likely to be written by AI. There is 89% probability that text was entirely written by AI. So now you can see, you can detect that this paragraph was written by AI. So this is how you can check if ChatGPT was used. So that's it. This hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.